are René and Lianne, and in this series we explore winter van life in Austria. In this episode we find ourselves in a very stressful situation and enjoy an awesome activity to celebrate René's 30th birthday. But first we start our day in Kitzbühel to check something off our bucket list. I'm so excited. This is the one thing that I really wanted to do in Austria, was go to a Christmas market and try out some glühwein. So let's go! Being in Austria during the Christmas time is truly magical. In every village there are Christmas markets where they sell local products, lovely dishes and of course glühwein. Here in Kitzbühel they even showed their local craftsmanship, metalworking. Kitzbühel is such a magical place during Christmas time. So after strolling around and exploring what seems to be the most expensive place of Austria, we finally ended up with a glass of glühwein. Mission accomplished. For our next adventure, we wanted to go south to Kaprun. Little did we know, our day would take a different turn. So we are driving this road. And it goes pretty steep and it's snowing and we don't really see what is going on and we're slipping a bit. Oh, and there's a lot of people standing still there. As we drove further, we saw many people being stuck in the snow and slipping down the road. We decided this would maybe be our only opportunity to put on the snow chains before heading up the Hairpin road. Every minute we stayed longer, more cars arrived at this corner and started slipping and losing grip. Ouch. That doesn't sound good. As the road became more crowded, we didn't feel safe driving further. Our only option was to go back to Kitzbühel before it became any more dangerous.
So these guys just came up to me like asking, "Hi, do you know where I can buy snow chains?" I said, "You need them before you go to this country, you know." What the hell?
We really wanted to help all these people, but there were just too many of them, and we only have one set of snow chains. And the difference is, they're trying to save their car, and we are trying to save our home. Another person!
She's the third woman, third person coming to us, asking where you can buy snow chains.
Where you can buy them? You're in the middle of nowhere.
It was supposed to rain today, and we thought, let's drive an hour. A little bit of rain is not so bad, but this is just a complete snow blizzard.
Driving back to Kitzbühel, we decided to find a parking spot to figure out what to do now.
Ah, time for coffee.
Yeah.
Because this was crazy. We've now... Oh, let's first sit down. We drove to a Park for Night spot in the middle of nowhere, which also feels kind of dumb. Tomorrow and the day after it's gonna snow a lot more, and we are afraid that in this area, I'll show you, that we won't find our way back. So I think we need to accept that we need to book a campsite right now, and we're looking for the best prices right now, and it is 50 to 60 euros a night. And we need to stay there for at least 2 or 3 nights because the snowstorm is going to be here for 3 days. So, Lianne, how are you with... I just made coffee. Lianne has been searching for
Yeah, I'm searching for
campsites.
campsites and maybe also for like small hotels or something. Because, yeah, if we're going for luxury and if it will be that expensive, then we might just get a really nice, some short holiday out of it.
And it's my birthday coming up in a few days. I'm turning 30, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to treat ourselves to a little bit of luxury.
Yeah.
But it's high season everywhere, and it's almost Christmas, and we are near Kitzbühel.
Kitzbühel, which is the most expensive place in whole freaking Austria.
Which is perfect because everything is super expensive. So we are, how do you say it nicely? We are, we're
We're screwed. After searching for a while, we found out that our only option was this campsite for 72 euros a night. But on the bright side, it came with free access to their spa and pool facilities, which we could really make good use of after such a hectic day. Winter van life hits different, guys. Just to think it was only a month ago, we woke up in 20 degrees Celsius to the sound of the ocean, and our only problem was killing some mosquitoes before going to bed. But still, we are loving this winter wonderland adventure, and we cannot wait to explore more of Austria's beauty.
Today is a special day because
It's my birthday.
it's your birthday! Yeah, so today we're going to the Maizi Flitzer, which is a rodobahn.
And it's supposed to be 15 minutes long, 12 minutes long, and with 40 kilometers an hour if you don't brake. So that's a challenge.
I'm a bit scared.
But also super excited.
Yes,
Let's go.
so pretty. So we're not bringing the big camera on the toboggan run, but René will wear his chesty.
Which
So-
is the GoPro mounted to my chest. So here's some footage of the toboggan run.
Yes.
Perfect, thank you so much.
There we go.
I got scared.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, that was so much fun.
When you are near Kaprun, be sure to go to the Maizi Flitzer. It is open throughout the whole year. And afterwards, you even get a nice picture of yourself during the ride. I mean, what's not to love? In the next episode of this series, I'm facing my biggest fears. And we visit the most touristic place of Austria, so you don't have to.
That's insane.
Suspicious.